Hey everyone, welcome back to the Auto Luxury channel. It's more than just a car. It's a legend. Born from the golden age of motorsport, designed to fly across tarmac like a predator on the hunt. This is the 1975 BMW 3.0 CSL, the Batmobile of Bavaria. Exterior. At first glance, the 1975 BMW 3.0 CSL looks aggressive, even by today's standards. But this wasn't just for show. The L in CSL stands for light, or lightweight. Built as a homologation special for European touring car racing, BMW cut weight anywhere it could. Thin steel body panels, aluminum doors, hood, and trunk, and even deleted trim, it was all about performance. But the most iconic feature. This wild aerodynamic kit. Massive rear wing, deep front air dam, flared wheel arches, hence the nickname, the Batmobile. And yes, that wing was technically illegal for road use in Germany at the time, it came in the trunk. Interior. Step inside the 3.0 CSL, and you're greeted by a cockpit that's both purposeful and elegant. BMW kept the interior minimal to save weight, no soundproofing, and even the rear seats were optional. Yet, there's no shortage of craftsmanship. You get these beautiful analog VDO gauges, a slim-rimmed steering wheel, and just enough wood veneer to remind you this was still a premium machine. The bucket seats are thin but supportive, built for spirited driving, not comfort cruising. Performance. Under the hood, a 3.0-liter inline-six, later enlarged to 3.2 liters for the final versions. This SOHC engine made around 206 horsepower, which might not sound like much today, but remember, this car only weighed about 2,800 pounds. Power was sent to the rear wheels via a 4-speed manual gearbox, 0 to 60. Around 6.5 seconds. But this car isn't about straight-line speed, it's about balance. The chassis was beautifully tuned, the steering communicative, and with its wide track and low weight, the CSL danced through corners. It wasn't just fast for the road, it dominated on the track. The CSL helped BMW win multiple European touring car championships, carving its place in motorsport history. The 1975 BMW 3.0 CSL wasn't built to be a crowd pleaser. It was built to win. It's a rare fusion of engineering precision and raw passion, a car born for homologation, but remembered as a symbol of performance excellence. Today, it stands as one of the most collectible BMWs ever made, not just because it's rare, but because it was a pioneer. The 3.0 CSL laid the groundwork for every M car that followed. If you ever get the chance to see one in person, or better yet, drive one, do it. Because this car doesn't just move, it stirs the soul. Like, comment, and subscribe for more classic car reviews. Hit the bell so you never miss a gear shifting story.